Manjunath and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to sell brown eggs and also how to make money out of it. Let's just consider you have a 1000 bird BV380 farm, which on an average has a production of 80% to 90%. Let's just consider an average production of 85%. So that is 850 eggs per day from 1000 birds. So 850 eggs per day, you would get an average of 24,000 to 27,000 eggs per month. So if we consider 85% production, we would be getting around 25,500 eggs. Let's just round it off to 25,000 eggs per month. So selling 25,000 eggs per month is bit of a task. The first thing we need to do is to find out wholesale buyers of our eggs, of the brown eggs. So get in touch with the wholesalers who are purchasing brown eggs. Talk to them about the price, the wholesale price at which they will buy. So it's usually between 4.5 rupees to 5.25 rupees, the wholesale price. On an average, 5 rupees would be ideal. So you just talk to them about the price. So once your wholesale price is fixed, that is 5 rupees, you can start with your farm. Always make sure you have more than one wholesale buyers. Suppose one backs off, you have the other one or two left who would buy your eggs. When you're selling your eggs weekly once, so on an average you'll have around 6,000 eggs per week to sell. So these 6,000 eggs initially you can distribute to the wholesalers whom you have spoken to or whom you have discussed about the wholesale price and all. So every week you take this 6,000 eggs, you go to the wholesaler, give it to him, and you take the payment from him, and you continue the process. So once you start giving your eggs to the wholesaler, the next thing which you can do is figure out the areas which doesn't get brown egg supply. So go to those areas, ask for the retail shops or the vegetable shops whether they require brown eggs. Some of them will tell give us a sample, some of them will tell yes, some of them will tell no. For people who tell no, tell them I'll give you a sample of 1 or 2 trays. So based on your business, you can continue buying eggs from us, or it's your wish. So when you're delivering to the retail shops, make sure you don't give them at the wholesale price. So you can give the eggs to the retail shops at 7 rupees per egg, or in good areas you can even give at 8 rupees. On an average, 7 rupees should be fine. So slowly your retail shops, week by week, it will increase. Suppose the first week you could only sell 500 eggs to the retail shops. Remaining 5,500 eggs of that particular week you can give to the wholesalers. The next week you can distribute 1,000 eggs to the retail shops. The remaining 5,000 eggs you can give to the wholesalers. Likewise, keep doing this process. You will come at a point where you will be able to sell at least 50% of the eggs to the retail shops and the remaining to the wholesalers, which you can give to them. So that way, suppose 6,000 eggs, you are giving off 3,000 eggs to the retail shops, 3,000 eggs, your leftover eggs, which you are giving it to the wholesalers. So for the first 3,000 eggs which you are giving to the retail shop, your profit margin has increased by 2 rupees per egg. So 3,000 eggs itself will give you extra of 6,000 rupees when compared to the wholesalers. So once you figure out the retail shops and the wholesalers, the third thing which you can do is you can directly sell your eggs to the direct customers. You can talk to your friends, neighbors, colleagues and all. You can spread a word among your circle of friends and other people and ask them to promote your product. So initially you will have very less orders. So even if you have one order, please go and deliver that order to them. So you can talk to them and deliver your product to them. So make sure you don't deliver them at a very less price, not even at the wholesaler's price or not even at retail price. Give them your egg at least at rupees 10 rupees per egg. There are people who are selling at 12 rupees also. There are people who are selling at 15 rupees per egg also. You on an average consider you are selling at 10 rupees per egg. So make sure when you're giving to the direct customers, make sure you're selling the whole tray to them, not individual eggs. Don't give an option of individual eggs. So make sure they buy the whole tray. Mainly start distributing, start selling your eggs to the apartments or communities, large communities, which have an average number of flats or families, where at least if you go to one particular stop, you can at least sell at least 10 trays of your eggs. So 10 trays in the sense you are selling around 300 eggs at one particular stop. So slowly start talking to other apartments also. So each egg is at 10 rupees per egg. So 300 per tray. Start selling your eggs to direct customers. So initially 1 or 2 orders which you will get. So if they like, they will spread it up in their own community. They have spread the word in their own community. In the next week you might get 4 orders. The next week again you may get 7 or 8 orders. If people like your product, there are some fitness enthusiasts who would consider buying 4 to 5 trays every week. So that way you are increasing your profit margin. Wholesalers we are giving at 5 rupees per egg, but here to the direct customers we are giving at 10 rupees per egg. We are at least having a 5 rupees profit margin per egg. So suppose in the first week you just sell 500 eggs to direct customers. Next week it's 1000, and then further week it's 2000. It will slowly keep increasing. Make sure you keep selling good quality product, so people will start contacting you and request you to deliver to their house, apartment or community. Same way you go on improving your business, keep spreading it to different area, different apartments. Suppose just consider you are selling 1000 eggs to direct customers, 3000 eggs to retail shops. So that particular week you are left with 2000 eggs. So that 2000 eggs you can go and give it to the wholesalers. So there will be a point where your eggs production won't be sufficient for you. In that situation, you can buy eggs from other farmers at wholesale price and start distributing. So you can grow your business like this. There's also a fourth way in which you can sell your eggs. That is selling it to supermarkets or online delivery services. So these supermarkets have their cut. Usually it's between 20% to 30% on MRP. In the next part of this video, I'll be telling you how we can make 1 lakh rupees every month. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel to get a notification when I upload the part 2 of this video. So until then, take care and have a great day. Thank you.